For homeowners seeking window replacement Brownwood TX, the most reliable path to better comfort starts with choosing Brownwood Texas window replacement specialists who understand local heat, wind, and seasonal storms. Replacement windows Brownwood services can improve curb appeal, lower utility costs, and reduce outside noise across neighborhoods in Brownwood TX, Early TX, Bangs TX, and Lake Brownwood TX. A local window company, Brownwood TX Residents Trust, can recommend energy-efficient windows Brownwood TX homeowners need for long summers, including insulated windows Brownwood families prefer for year-round indoor comfort and long-term value. Affordable window replacement Brownwood TX options are available for older homes, renovated properties, and growing households that need affordable house windows Brownwood Texas residents can depend on. Homeowners often compare best-priced replacement windows in Brownwood TX with premium custom windows Brownwood TX offerings to find the right mix of style and budget. Whether you need house window installation and replacement services for one room or full residential window replacement, Brownwood solutions for the entire house, local pricing, personalized recommendations, and window replacement estimates Brownwood Texas property owners request can make planning easier. Energy performance is one of the biggest reasons to invest in home window installation Brownwood TX services. Drafty window replacement Brownwood projects help reduce air leaks, while Energy Star windows Brownwood Texas homeowners install can support lower monthly energy use. Double pane window replacement. Brownwood TX choices are especially popular in Brownwood TX because they provide insulation against outdoor temperatures and help create quieter indoor living spaces. Insulated replacement windows near Early Texas and vinyl replacement windows in Brownwood TX are also smart choices for homeowners wanting durability, efficiency, and minimal maintenance in the Brown County, Texas climate. Style matters just as much as efficiency when selecting new home windows Brownwood properties need for upgrades or full renovations. Single-hung window replacement Brownwood projects remain popular for traditional homes, while double-hung window replacement Brownwood designs offer easier ventilation and cleaning. Casement window replacement Brownwood options work well for airflow and contemporary aesthetics, and sliding window replacement Brownwood installations provide a clean, practical solution for bedrooms, kitchens, and living rooms. Bay window replacement Brownwood TX services and picture window installation Brownwood homeowners choose can transform views, increase natural light, and add standout curb appeal. Custom solutions are ideal for homes with unique architecture, non-standard openings, or design-specific goals. Custom replacement windows Early TX homeowners request often include specialty sizing, decorative grids, modern finishes, and upgraded glass packages. In Brownwood TX and surrounding Brown County, Texas communities, custom windows Brownwood TX projects help preserve character while improving efficiency and function. Casement and bay window installers. Brownwood Texas homeowners contact can tailor every detail, while picture window replacement Brownwood TX is a popular upgrade for scenic properties near Lake Brownwood and residential areas throughout Brownwood TX. Weather protection is another major concern in this region, making storm window replacement Brownwood TX an important service for many property owners. Strong winds, shifting temperatures, and sudden storms in Brownwood TX can place extra stress on older glass and deteriorating frames. Storm window replacement near Lake Brownwood TX is especially valuable for homes exposed to open areas and variable weather conditions. Double-pane window installers near Brownwood TX can also recommend reinforced products, insulated glass, and improved seals that support stronger overall performance for homes needing residential window installation in Brown County, Texas. Many homeowners begin their search by looking for window replacement near Early TX or a window replacement service near Bangs TX because they want trusted local experience close to Brownwood TX. A local window installation company Brownwood TX residents call should know permitting needs, regional weather, and the most effective window materials for nearby homes. Home window contractors in Brownwood TX and window contractors. Brownwood TX property owners hire for replacements often provide consultations for everything from vinyl window replacement Brownwood TX to full residential window renovation near Lake Brownwood TX, helping customers move from outdated windows to modern, efficient upgrades.